Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sindhu from MSc Computer Science. Today, my seminar topic is on polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism refers to having the multiple forms, and it is a programming term. It uses to same function name, but with the different signatures and for multiple types. And it is an object-oriented programming concept. It is ability to a variable function and object to take on multiple forms. A language that features polymorphism allows to develop the programming in the specific specific program. Next, in this section, we have two essential ingredients of polymorphic behavior. One is the ability to define a method in a superclass, then define a method with the same name in a subclass. When we give the subclass method has the same name as the superclass method, it is often said that the subclass method overrides the superclass method. And next one is the ability to call the correct version of an overridden method. It depending on upon the object that is used to call the method. And if subclass method or object are used to call an object, it will overridden the method. Then the subclass versions of the method is one that it will execute the code. If a superclass object is used to call an overridden method, then the superclass version method is used to call and it will execute the code. Next, polymorphism with inheritance. Polymorphism with inheritance means it is the define the child class have the same name methods as the parent class, and in inheritance, the child class inherits the methods of all the parent class. And the process of making the changes specifically to the child class and they work seamlessly is known as method overriding. The each instance function means it gives a great deal of flexibility when designing the programs. The isInstance function is used to check whether the class or object is returns true or false. And if the object belongs to the class, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns the false. It returns true when the subclass when the class is also a subclass. The isInstance function has the two arguments. One is the object and other is the class info. And it returns the true or false. Here we have the syntax for isInstance function. IsInstance, open brace, object, comma, class name, close brace. Next, here we have an example. Def show underscore mammal underscore info creature. Creature dot show underscore specifies and creature dot make underscore sound. Show underscore specifies is a method and make underscore sound is a method. We can pass any object as an argument to this function, and as long as it shows the show specifies method and make sound method. And is we can pass any object that is a mammal we will use to the function. Is a means inheritance. Here we have an example program. First import animal. Next def main mammal equal to animals dot mammal regular animal. Next dog is equal to animals dot dog. Cat equal to animals object dot cat. Next print something. Here are some animals. And next show the mammal underscore info. Next print it. Next how the dog sound it will shows. And next def show underscore mammal underscore info creature. Next we have the method show underscore specifies make underscore sound. Next here we will get output like this. Here are some animals and the sounds they make. I am a regular animal. How the dog makes sound and how the cat makes sound, it will give the output. Next, finally, we will get the conclusion. Polymorphism is a very important concept in object-oriented programming. We can use the concept of polymorphism while class methods, different classes, and with the same name to create the methods also. Polymorphism allows to different classes created as objects as a superclass, and it is reusability and flexibility in code of multiple times. This is a polymorphism. Thank you.